This is the elevator at Oak Ridge Plaza, 2345 Bee Ridge Road in Sarasota, Florida. Let's go to the most scenic elevator ever. But look at this. See a tiny little bit. Here's what you should have been seeing earlier. Again, the most scenic elevator ever. Best one that I know of. There's your emergency phone. I think this is a Florida elevator, or possibly a general. Don't know for sure. Go for one more ride. No door close button. And the doors do not close when you push the button. I don't think the indicator works at all. But the lantern stays on. And it levels pretty quick. You have a GAL interlock right here, and you can see a little bit down the shaft. Let's go back down to 1. There it goes. And that'll be it.